Yo boys, DecadeCS here, back with a new video on rain. In today's video, we're going to start on 350 balance. We're trying to run up to 500 cash out. Last video before this is coming out soon. It should be out by the time I post this. Hope you guys enjoy that. I give away the M4A1S Nightmare Middleware. In this video, I'll be giving away a M4A4 Cybersecurity. It's middleware. It's a very good skin. Very nice play skin to have. If you want to be able to win that, go to the top, click deposit, go to referrals, and type in DecadeCS all capitals. You'll get entered in my leaderboard for 200 coins, and you'll be entered into my raffles for the small wagerers who don't wager as much as the big people. They still have a chance to win some gems or coins. Also, add it for 7 days. It helps a lot to make these videos. I'm no sponsor on Rain, so some big stuff's coming soon, and I hope you guys will support me through it. So yeah guys, let's get into the first battle. We're losing, but it's okay. Where's the wagers, guys? Okay, show me the butterfly right now. We don't want to see that. We always see that, man. We win and we lose money. We lost 10 coins. Also, guys, I have a website coming out soon. Should be out in the next couple days. So check out the information in my Discord below. So we'll be able to see where you are on leaderboards and stuff, and the raffles. I'm gonna have a point shop as well, so people who like don't wager as much as the big people, that even from coming on my streams and using my code, will still have a chance to make some money, you know. So it's pretty good. Come on, let me see some pay here. Go down. Okay, we take this. I haven't actually seen what's inside this case. Okay, it's a hyper beast. How much is this? 5% dream. Nothing. Okay, we make money back, I think. We lost 2 coins again. Alright. Okay. This is pretty shit, but let me see some more here. Animals case. They were losing by like not even 1 coin. Oh my god, they had double fucking little balls hit. Oh my god, it didn't even go down for us. Could do something good. Go down. Okay, they're up by 100. We need a hit in the last case. We don't. They get hit against us. Let's see what's gonna be. Probably the power cord, if I'm to be honest. Yeah, power cord. It pays pretty good as well. Like 200 each, 136 each. Damn. Let me put it smaller. Okay, we're losing. Okay, it's 10, I think. Yeah. Atsu. Okay. 5% gems. Pretty bad. One Asimov case. Show me why you're 5%. Show me something. Twister case to save the day. I made a clash spin, a rain spin, I'm sorry. What is this gonna be? I haven't actually seen it gold. Oh my god, how much is this? 200, right? 247, damn. It's paying, but for the wrong side every time. 100 coin battle, trying to make this money up. I want to get a 500 cash out. I want to see some good here, come on. 5% gems, show them a hit. Nope. Okay. I mean, show us a gold. $70? $75. Option gloves. Nothing. Slaughterhouse, show them a hit bottom side. Okay. What's the percentage of this case? It's a 5%. Smackdown doesn't hit. We need to hit on the fidget spinner on the bottom to make some money here. Nice. Good shit. Now give me top item. Fade. Fade, fade, fade. Please. I think this is the lowest item, right? 300? 357, okay. King G. Bottom side right now. Good shit. Crown foil right now, please. Crown foil. Come on, crown foil. Show me the crown foil. It's 1%. Nice, 400. We take that. We take that every day. 422. That pays really good. 300 bucks. We take that every day. 300. We're on 440 right now. That's a W battle. The lowest I'll stop at is 100 coins. So, we want to see something great on our side. That's a bad start for us. We don't want to see a massive fall. Please be small. Go down. Still 130 down. 5% gems, top side right now. Damn, bro, we're getting cooked. 5% Asimov. 3 times in a row without no hits. This is crazy. 5% gloves. Show us a hit, please. Nice. Now, don't be a purple. Be a gold. Gold, gold, gold right now. Okay, it's like worst item, I think. It's 81. Damn, that's bad. Still down here. Stop. Nice. Holy shit. This is fucking really good. Come on, please. Don't be Navaja. Don't be Navaja, please. Okay, we take it anyway. It's still 180 each. We fucking take that shit. Come on, Shanky. Don't fuck me in the last case. We take that. We take that. Okay, take that. Pretty good. 213 each. I think we're on 500. We'll do one last battle, and then we'll call it 2v2. Let's do 3v3 crazy actually. Show me something great to end the video off. Whatever I'm doing, if I lose, if I win, I'm cashing 400. I don't want to rinse everything, so. Come on, show us head bottom side. Asimov, please. Nothing again. We've opened this like 5 times, no hits. 5% gloves, bottom side hit. Nope. 10% gloves, bottom side right now, please. Okay, nice. They hit, and we don't. Show us a big hit, a big item here. Show us a gold. 130, okay. Fidget spinner, bottom side right now. Okay, this is the last case. It's risky as hell. We need to see a hit on the bottom. Okay, we do win and we lose money. We're on. We'll do like a 50 coin. No, I'm running back. One more time. I just need to see that 500 and then I'm done for the day. Come on, show me something massive. I want to see a big hit. 1k, even 10k. Okay, it's okay. It's only 30 or something. 27. Oh damn, we hit, bro. Really? Don't be a gold. purplish right now. It's 80 coins. It's okay. We can come back. We can come back. Oh, it's 135. I don't even know these. Like, these things are so strange. Like, I mean, if they hit fidget spinner, we're back. No. 25 Logan. Please save us, 25 Logan. And we lose. Okay. Come on. I'm just under break even. Come on, show me something good. DecadeCS. Show me a rain spin. Okay. Swerve. They had a class. They had a rain spin. I think we're cooked. Be lowest item, please. Stop. Oh, it's 100. Alcana, please. Alcana, please. We lose that. We won that. Oh, damn. That was crazy. So that literally saved us. They saved us so much. All right, I'm gonna end the video there. That was a good video. We're up 100, up like 70 coins or something like that. So we'll take it. Also, guys, remember to use my code inside. Go to the top referrals. Type in DecadeCS all caps. You get a 5% bonus, and then apply for 7 days. Helped me so much to record these videos. And also, you've been entered in Leaderboard. And for the small wagers, we'll do raffles and we'll do spin the wheels on my Discord down below. Make sure to join that. Also, I have some big stuff coming soon. I'll be streaming nearly every 3 days. 3 days a week I'll be streaming, and I'll be doing 3 free bottles and promo codes in my streams. So join them, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.